We are going lime green. So this is a lime green.
So I'm going to add to the stacker over here a whole lot of different types of timbers from around the shop, and that's already got some green in it. I think it's green. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's green. I don't know what sort of, whether it's a Purex or whether it's a solid, whether it's a tint, but I think it's a tint in there. But anyway, we're going to top that up with some tinted green, and this will be another bowl that we'll turn. The green bowl. Man, I reckon this one's going to look quite funky. So I'll just give that a quick gassing.
So that's with this negative rake.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
You got to keep an eye on me, eh?